What if I told you there's a mod for your vehicle, not just your truck, that most people ignore and honestly don't even think of? Today, we are going to install from PUDDLElights.com custom one-of-one puddle lights for the ZR2, and I'm going to show you how. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Greg and this is the Blue Garage. As you guys know, I work on the ZR2. I do custom mods, everything from suspension to performance products to lighting for off-roading, etc. Today we're doing something a little different than most of us basically commonly ignore on our vehicles, and that's whenever you open up the door, what type of lighting is going to reflect on the ground. CustomPuddleLights.com out in Houston reached out to me via email. How would you think about installing our custom puddle lights? One-of-one custom puddle lights with the Blue Garage emblem on it is going on the truck today. Super stoked, super excited. I've never even thought of this before, and I'm sure many of you never have either. And the cool thing about this project is it's not just for my ZR2. They make them for many different makes, many different models, and you can get yours at CustomPuddleLights.com. All right guys, let's open this box up. Again, CustomPuddleLights.com. Thank you guys for sending this out. Pretty easy here. Two things in this little bag. We have a tiny little flathead screwdriver that we're going to use as a pry tool to get the old puddle lights out, and the instructions. And then in here we have the puddle lights, one for each side, driver and passenger side. And as you see, it's nicely packaged in there with the foam, so keeps it nice for shipping purposes. So yeah, pretty easy job. We just got to install. All right, so the puddle light sits right under our mirrors here. There is a little notch, so perfect circle, and then a little rectangular notch on the outer edge of it. You just got to get the flathead screwdriver underneath the clip, so kind of hard to see. I will explain as I'm doing it. Once you're behind the clip, it just pops out. Try to see without looking up directly into the sun. There we go. Just trying to be careful with that. Same clip that's on our set from Puddle Lights, CustomPuddleLights.com. Just has a little clip on this side. And all we're going to do is disconnect by pulling out. There you go. Wiggle back and forth and you get it right out. Now we have the new ones. Let's see if these are labeled any different. Doesn't appear so. Guess we'll find out whether they work or not. They plug right in, tuck the wiring up, and they clip right into place. That's it. And let's see. Just want to see on my hands. Oh, there's my logo. Look at that. That's pretty cool, guys. Man, they said 15 minutes on the website, and that took me, what, a minute on the driver's side? Now, passenger side. Let's go. Gonna time myself, see how long this takes. As you guys know, with every project, one side is always harder than the other. But we'll just see how long this project takes on the passenger side. Starting the clock now. As you see, removal, super easy. Just hit that clip, pull the plug. Tuck your wiring in. All right, kind of did it reverse. We're done. That took 1 minute and call it 30 seconds. Minute 33 is whenever I stopped. So there is a clip on the back and then the clip on the front. The clip on the front is the one that you need to compress down to pop into place. Clip on the back slides in, locks into place before that one goes in. I did a little bit backwards on this side. Driver's side was much easier, I will say, but a minute and a half install for the passenger side, not too bad. And testing out the lights. Yeah, I know you guys can't see it, but my logo is right there. It looks pretty sweet. We tried the install with the lights and troubleshot a little bit. We had an issue where the lights weren't lighting up. Well, blue skies, sun's right above my windshield. I did not have my sunshade on my windshield, so the sensor was completely exposed, which means the lights are not going to light up. Now I have my sunshade on, it's blocking the sensor. My truck thinks it's dark out, so now the lights light up. Just in case you do what I did. Now that the intro is done, you guys know the big reveal obviously is the end of the video, right? So we're going to wait till later on tonight and we'll shoot that for you guys so you guys can see the Blue Garage logo on the ground at night. It's gonna look awesome. It already looks cool whenever it's on the back of my hand. It's kind of surreal that now it's part of the truck, not just the channel. See you guys later. Guys, it's been a while. I haven't updated the toolbox in a while, so we're gonna throw on some stickers. First, Fiberwerx, as you guys know, months back in what, January, February timeframe? I forget when I even finished. Everything runs together at this point. We threw on the carbon fiber fenders and bed sides. Fiberwerx killed it. They did an amazing job. I think the truck has transformed dramatically. A lot of you guys are saying get rid of the carbon fiber, keep the carbon fiber. There's a lot of opinions out there, so get down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I think some of you already know my goal. The channel's name is the Blue Garage after all. Huge shout out to Fiberwerx. Thank you guys. Next we have OEM extinguishers. I have that Rapid Blue paint matched extinguisher in the back. Matches my emblems. Squeeze that in here. I don't know if I saved enough room for the last two. We'll see. Have to get creative and find some more. Next we'll go EBCO. We have something big coming from them. Little carbon fiber touch coming from them. So they make custom carbon fiber parts. Reach out to them. I have the part. It's later to be revealed in a future video. The video today, huge shout out to Stay Flush. They sent out a bunch of stickers. I think this one's the coolest. Got the script on there, some blue. Looks good, I like it. Throw this on here. I think it's got the perfect spot without overlapping. Let's see. Oh yeah. Man, it's like I scripted that. I can't believe right. There we go, guys. This side is complete. Need a bigger toolbox now or start filling out the front. So huge shout out to everybody that's made their way on here. I couldn't have done it with any one of you guys, either friends that have reached out, sent me their stickers, some companies on here, you name it, places I've been, places the truck's been. So I'm sweating my butt off here in my garage. 110 degrees here in Yuma, but we're living it up. Daniel even made it on here. I think he's on here a couple times. All right, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Surreal, guys. Look how straight the lines are, how perfect they did my emblem. Again, thank you guys, CustomPuddleLights.com. Go get yours. Well, guys, that's a wrap. Thanks to CustomPuddleLights.com for sending out the awesome one-of-one puddle lights with my logo on it. super surreal, get your hat too here. Keep an eye out. In 6 months, they'll be dropping just for you. Every purchase will help out the channel. But in the meantime, go support Custom Puddle Lights. Go get your own custom puddle lights because they look phenomenal. I couldn't be happier. And look at that sunset behind me. Beautiful Arizona night, guys. Have a good one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.